Yep. Ah. Yeah, you got a good view of the whole thing here. Oh. Oh, they got dough whip. Okay.
Rough me having to sit on the outside. Darn.
Yeah, what warrior is he?
They put two with us, so I'll go across. You have to get your bag up.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome back, riders. How was your ride? When the ride comes to a complete stop, your lap bar will automatically unlock. At that time, you can level your lap bar, exit to the left, and walk down the stairs. Make sure you guys grab your belongings in the green box. Thank you for riding Impulse. Enjoy the rest of your day here at Knoebels.
Got a monster backpack. I know it's going to fit in the green box.
It's a big box. Yeah. It'd be the only thing in the box. He's got a camera bag too, so it's going to be out.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to Impulse.
Okay. Got a big backpack.
Do you have a camera card?
Oh, yes, I do.
You're going to have to step through so I can get back.
Right here.
All right.
You're going to have to step through so we can select.
Yeah.
Go ahead and just set it to the side.
Okay. Alrighty. Yeah. So they took the camera card on this one.
What?
They took the camera card on this one.
Can I push this in for you?
There went.
One more click.
I'm right at that weight. I mean, RMCs, everyone. Oh, one more.
A couple of years ago, 2 years ago, pre-COVID.
These are pretty comfy.
Yeah. What brand is this? This is like an off-brand.
Oh.
Maybe this is just without the shell of what they have on. Hey, Dave. I didn't even see you down there. Sneaking in on me. How they did the rollbacks of fin brakes.
Oh, yeah.
They're pulling out of the way, you hear them dropping all the way. We're going down?
Going down. Yeah, nice and smooth. No problem. And no over-the-shoulder harnesses. Thank God.
Welcome back. When the ride comes to a complete stop, your lap bar will automatically unlock. At that time, exit to the left and walk down the stairs. Make sure you grab your belongings.
I'm right at that weight.
There we go.
RMCs, everyone. Oh, one more.
A couple of years ago, 2 years ago, pre-COVID.
These are pretty comfy.
Yeah. What brand is this? This is like an off-brand.
Oh.
Maybe this is just without the shell of what they have on. Hey, Dave. I didn't even see you down there. Sneaking in on me. How they did the rollbacks of fin brakes.
Oh, yeah.
They're pulling out of the way, you hear them dropping all the way. We're going down?
Going down. Yeah, nice and smooth. No problem. And no over-the-shoulder harnesses. Thank God.
Welcome back when arriving, so please lock your lap bar will automatically unlock. At that time, exit to the left and walk down the stairs. Make sure you grab your belongings and the green box.
There we go.
Go to every day here at Knoebels.
Okay.
Welcome to the Knoebels Pond, and please secure all those articles.
Hey. All right.